Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll begin by making sure the iPhone and the AirPlay receiver are on the same network. This avoids pairing delays and keeps streams stable. Once connected, swipe down from the top right to open Control Center, because that's the fastest route to the mirroring control. Tap Screen Mirroring and you'll see available devices. Select the TV or Apple TV name. This initiates the handshake and a secure link for both video and audio. Start here so you can move on immediately to fine-tuning. Once you select the device, you may be asked to enter an AirPlay code shown on the TV. Enter it to confirm the secure connection. After mirroring begins, adjust orientation and app volume on your iPhone because some apps display better in landscape for 16:9 view. If you notice lag or stutter, make sure to move closer to the router or switch the network to 5 GHz for lower latency. These adjustments keep video smooth and audio in sync for a clean presentation. To finish, open Control Center and tap Stop Mirroring or Disconnect directly from the TV's AirPlay menu, which ends the session cleanly and frees bandwidth. If the device won't appear or pairing fails, restart Wi-Fi or toggle airplane mode to reset wireless radios. This often clears transient issues. Make sure both iOS and the TV's firmware are up to date, because outdated software causes the most stubborn compatibility problems. Update, then retry. This single troubleshooting step resolves most connection failures quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.